Hey everyone, welcome to Look, Feel, Be Healthy. I am Jason Teichner, certified nutritionist, certified holistic health practitioner, certified hypnotherapist, and just doing a quick video here on one of the very best things you can do for your health, specifically one of the very best supplements you can take for your health. And it's technically a food, but for lack of a better term, we'll call it a supplement. So it's called chlorella. Now, most of you, I'm sure, have heard of chlorella. A lot of you, I'm sure, don't know exactly what it does, how it benefits, and what type of chlorella to get when you do take chlorella, because any old chlorella is not going to do you much good. So chlorella, first of all, what does it do? It does a lot of things. It gives you all of the phytonutrients that you need. It's got tons and tons and tons and tons of trace vitamins and minerals. And it also, the main thing that it does is it is able to actually repair cellular DNA. That's right, there's very few things that can actually repair cellular DNA. And it does it with the nucleic acids or nucleotides that are naturally occurring in chlorella. And nucleotides, nucleic acids, one of the major building blocks for repairing your RNA and DNA, cellular structure. So when you repair your DNA, then you'll notice a lot of other things getting better too, because many things, including aging, as well as many diseases, have a ton to do with, with the poor DNA structure. So this will help repair your DNA as long as you get the right one. And so that's why I'm here to tell you. So all the different chlorellas on the market, you'll see raw, you'll see cracked cell, you'll see things like that. But the main thing is, and that's all important, raw chlorella, cracked cell wall chlorella is extremely important. Otherwise, if it's not cracked cell, you won't be able to absorb it. It'll just kind of go right through you. It also has to be raw to maintain all of the nutrients. And of course, it doesn't necessarily need to say organic. If it says USDA certified organic, that's great. All that means is it's grown in a structured environment where they can keep track to make sure that no pesticides are able to get in there. Wild chlorella obviously cannot be organic because you have no idea what pesticides, are in the ocean or lakes or things like that. So these are definitely the ones that say organic are grown in a controlled environment. So yeah, USDA certified organic, raw, broken cell wall or cracked cell wall, same thing. And then the main thing that most chlorella companies, even if they say those things, will not tell you is what's called the chlorella growth factor, CGF, chlorella growth factor. So basically what this means is this is how much ability this chlorella has to repair DNA of the cells. If it does not have a high chlorella growth factor, then it cannot repair the cells. So this particular product from this particular company that I'm going to recommend that you get has, and it's been scientifically proven through third-party testing to show that it has 2 to 4 times the amount, or technically percentage, of chlorella growth factor that other chlorella supplements have. So even if you get a really good chlorella, for example, very pure, and has a fairly high, chlorella growth factor, then it's still probably not going to tell you, how many milligrams it has. This product actually shows the certificate of analysis right by the product to show you how much chlorella growth factor it has in it. And again, that is what's responsible for repairing your DNA. And again, it is 2 to 4 times percentage-wise as other chlorella supplements that were tested. So it's like you don't have to take as much as you would for other chlorellas. Now you're going to want to take a little more in the beginning to detoxify the body. Chlorella is great for clearing out heavy metals. And, mostly we don't know we're exposed to heavy metals all the time, but we are. And chlorella will take care. It'll bind to those heavy metals in the body and pull them out of the body without binding to the good minerals. So very, very important. If you get anything for your health as a quote unquote supplement, even though it's technically a food, this is what you want to get. This is a great starting point. So I'm going to have a link to this particular product down below, as well as my site. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. heal.info, and number, email, all that kind of stuff is on there. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. I always forget to say that. And I will see you in the next video.